What's up, everybody? If you've been following along, you know we just did our VANOS installation, and we're going to finish it off today by installing the solenoid pack. Enjoy.
Okay, we're going to be bolting our solenoid on now. Make sure this plate lines up perfectly. You can see all your holes and your bolt holes. And then you got the electrical hookup here for that cord and plug we replaced earlier. And you want to make sure to use dielectric grease on that so that you get a really nice connection. Okay, so we put marks here on the plate and the solenoid itself. That way, when we got it down under there, we can still keep it aligned up and we know it's in the right spot because we're not going to be able to see this. So the VANOS solenoid goes in this direction. As you can see, it's difficult to keep it all lined up. Our marks are lined up, so we know we're good. Short bolts go in the center there. Let's get them hand tight. And you got your long bolts up there. Other long bolt goes right here, and one more right there. Let's go ahead and get those tightened down, and your solenoid is on. Make sure your marks are lined up.
Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions or comments, we'll go and leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.